BECCA. Okay, today's gonna be a very special video, but first, do you like my hair? I was inspired by Blackpink Jennie's concert hair, and I was just trying it out while I was getting ready, and then I actually ended up liking it quite a bit, so this is the hair that we're going with today. So as you may know, a big part of my channel is K-fashion, Korean fashion, and today I want to show you one of the places that I've been shopping at the most recently. It is a really good upcoming K-fashion store called LEWKIN. I'm sure if you're into K-fashion, you may have heard about it, and I think there's a lot of people out there who are really curious about it as well. So this video is made for people like you. I'm really proud to say that LEWKIN is kindly sponsoring this video, and I also have a code that you can use for 20% off, so make sure to use it and give them lots of love. I genuinely was already a customer of the store, so I can definitely vouch for LEWKIN, and now I'm just going to answer a few frequently asked questions that I also got in my comments. So LEWKIN is a South Korean brand and ships their clothes directly from Korea. They have really fast shipping because they use DHL, so everything arrives within 1 to 2 weeks. They ship worldwide, and they also have really good shipping deals where you spend a certain minimum and then you get free shipping. The main strength is styling. I think they really try to capture the essence and vibe of the fashion that you see in the streets of Seoul, and I can really tell that it's their main focus when they do their styling combinations for the website. LEWKIN also has an app, so make sure to download it for more easier shopping. So now I'm going to show you what I got from them, and as always, if anything catches your eye, everything's going to be linked directly in the description. Thumbnail. So we are starting off really strong today. First thing that I got is this bolero jacket over here. I got mine in the beige color. It was added so quickly to my list even though it's summer in New Zealand right now, but I just had to get it because I was worried that it would be gone by the time it's winter here. I'm really happy that I did. I think this was such a good choice. It might actually be one of my favorite things. So as soon as I took it out of the packet, I noticed how soft and fuzzy it was. So it's got that really cute collar and the 3 buttons in the front. And the sleeves are really puffed out and are not too short either, which is amazing. And it's actually got this like brush look to it, so it's mixed with some darker threads here and there as well, and I actually love it. It looks so natural, and I think it looks really expensive. It just feels like really high quality, and the back doesn't stick out too much, which I was worried about, but it's all good. And it's actually less structured and more flexible than I thought it would be, which is a good thing because when I wear it, it's really warm and cozy, but it does still have that boxy oversized look, which I love. Even though it's short, I think it would actually keep me really warm. And while I was looking at that jacket, I was actually really into how they styled it with like this dark green top underneath. So it's this one right here. Like, it might not look like much while I'm just holding it up like this, but once you wear it, the fit, so flattering. I think it's because it's kind of like a corset style, so as you can see with like the shape down here, and also these lines, they really help to contour the body. And if you wear this top with something low-rise, it looks like a bodysuit and it just looks so cool. I want to talk about how thick this material also is. It just feels so warm and so nice. It would be amazing in the colder months, but I've actually been wearing this out recently as well in the summertime, and I haven't been overheating. So it's tight fitting and it's got this square neckline in the front, so it looks kind of elegant when you wear it. Really flattering on the neckline, especially if you wear it with a necklace. And I think this pale like dark forest green, I don't own too many clothes that are this color, but I think this one was a really good choice. I like how it's kind of like a cool tone rather than a warm tone. Color wise, fit wise, it just pairs really amazingly with the bolero jacket. Just really gives off those like natural earthy tones. I think I really recommend getting these two together as a set. Ugh, everyone who wears these will look so good. This cardigan and tank set. So as you can see, the cardigan has the really trendy like tie front ribbons, and then this cami has like the frill at the top, and then it's actually like a scarf top style where it's got that pointed hem. So that style is also really trendy these days. The material is like this very delicate like crochet style, and then it's got these like embroidered flowers all over it. The flowers are really subtle because they're the same color, but I love how they give that texture. I think that's one of the main points that makes this top really pretty and unique. But just one thing to keep in mind with the cami is that the top elastic over here, it is stretchy, but it does have a limit. That's just something to keep in mind. And I also liked how the straps for it are adjustable. The length of everything I thought was really perfect. It's just a really lightweight set, so good for warmer weather. I can definitely see myself like going to some flower fields or like botanical gardens wearing these. It's like the really perfect mix of like very feminine but like also street style. The next thing that I got is also another top. This one is a crop top. I just really love the print in the front. I actually saw it a while ago, but I finally ended up getting it. It's not too in your face. I think it looks really cool. It's super photogenic. I took a photo wearing it at the beach the other day and it looked amazing. Like, not me, the top. And you can choose between a white or a light yellow. I chose the yellow because I have a lot of white crop tops already. Lengthwise, I'd say it's like belly button length. It's really stretchy and soft, and yes, I love it. So if you end up getting this top, promise me you'll take heaps of pictures in it because it'll look good, I'm telling you. The next thing that I got is a cardigan. It's a bolero cardigan. It's got the LEWKIN tag on it. It's like a very oversized style and like a chunky knit. Just a very warm blanket that you can wear outside. And I got it in grey because, I don't know, I just really been liking grey these days. I think it's having a really big comeback for me. The sleeves are long, so you can definitely have sweater paws with them. And I actually like for this one how the back is quite long. It's definitely longer than the front, if you can see. There's like a split here. And I love how with these kind of boleros, you really don't have to worry too much about size. Really warm, super cozy and trendy. Definitely think I'll be pulling this out every single winter and autumn. Okay, this next top that I got, I was so surprised when I first opened the package because I was like, what is this? But what is actually going on here is that this part needs to be tightened, which was really cool because it means you can adjust it to your chest size. You basically shore it up like this in the front, and then you tie the ribbon to secure it, and then you've got kind of like this bolero style bit attached to it, which makes it into a long sleeve. So this top, I got it in white. It's kind of a crop length, but it's long enough that you can tuck it into things. The material itself does have a lot of stretch to it, but one thing to be cautious of is when you're putting it on, just make sure to be careful around this area. The thread here right underneath the bust is not actually very stretchy, so just be careful when you're putting it on. Really, really pretty top. Even with just like simple jeans, I think this top would look so pretty and feminine. So that was all of the tops, and then now I'm going to show you the skirt that I got. I think the main selling point of this one is that the shorts underneath are made of the same material, so it just feels really comfortable wearing this. In terms of flashing people, you don't really have to worry about that. I'd say it's kind of like a purpley sort of grey, and as someone whose favorite color is purple, I'd say this actually a very big bonus for me. And it's got this like very small slit on the sides to make it a little bit more comfortable for walking. It's got the pockets in the back. It is a mini skirt, so just keep it in mind that it's like mid-thigh, maybe a little bit higher if you're around my height. And it is a stretch denim, so I feel like it's quite comfortable to wear even though it's got those shorts underneath. This skirt, I've noticed, looks really good with this top, the crop top that I showed you before. Something about the colors and the graphic just match really well with the skirt and make it look like a set. So just put these together and that's it. You've instantly got like your Instagram, Pinterest worthy outfit. So we've come to the last items in this haul, and they are these leg warmers. Okay, the reason why I'm loving this leg warmer trend is because it's actually very functional. Like, they actually keep your legs really warm. I have the same opinion about arm warmers. I really liked how this one has the adjustable, what do you call these? Make it however tight, loose you want it to be, over the knee, under the knee. I like how they are the really loose type of leg warmers and not the really tight ones. And you can tell that they're actual leg warmers because sometimes with the tighter styles, you can't really tell, like they just kind of look like knee-high socks. But these ones for sure will go over your shoes like a skirt. If you know what I mean, when they sort of make like a puddle on top of the shoe, that's what we're going for. I don't know if anyone knows what I'm talking about right now. They are also very soft, very fuzzy material. They're actually kind of borderline like furry, very fluffy. Kind of like this ribbed line detail going all the way through. Yeah, like I said before, I've been liking grey, so grey. I think the thing about grey is that it actually goes with a lot more colors than you'd think. Like, I feel like I'd be able to match this with almost every single thing that I got in this haul. I had another thought where you could sort of wear it as detachable sleeves as well because they are adjustable. So yeah, I thought they'll look really cool. Another thing I love about leg warmers is how they give you more freedom to wear skirts and dresses in the colder months. If you're not on the leg warmer trend already, I highly recommend these. They're really good. Get on it. That is everything that I got from LEWKIN. I love this brand, especially the people who are working there. They have been really nice to me, giving me really cool opportunities. I'm really happy to promote them. I think this brand is going to become huge. They're already doing so well. They have new arrivals daily. So if you saw anything that you liked in this video, make sure to follow the links in the description. And also don't forget to use my code BECCA20 for 20% off. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe because there'll be lots more like this one coming soon. But otherwise, that is the video for today. Thank you so much for for watching this far, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!